find it actually quite easy to eat healthy when you've got some really tasty ingredients, and today's recipe is a great example of that. It's not a very complicated recipe, but we're using some really fresh and crisp baby bok choy, and I'm also using some fresh shiitake mushrooms, which, believe it or not, I can get my hands on here in France. If you can't find fresh shiitake mushrooms, dried ones will do. Just reconstitute them in some water and you'll be good to go. This is sort of an Asian theme on this recipe, so we've got some garlic, some ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, a whole bunch of things to, again, add to that flavor component so that the eating healthy doesn't feel like a sacrifice. It actually just tastes really good. So this baby bok choy and shiitake mushroom, great on its own, great as a side. You can also put it on top of some rice and make a vegetarian dish out of it. So many different ways to enjoy it. I hope you like it. Well, there you go. Quick, simple, healthy, tasty. What more could you ask for from a recipe? We've got some more videos coming up. I've got a trip to the Bordeaux food market. It happens every Sunday morning, and I did a recipe that was inspired by some of the delicious food that's on offer at the market. So that's going to be coming up. Stay tuned. Until next time, happy cooking.